Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Elecon Engineering Limited. So it's a good company involved in manufacturing of material handling equipment and industrial gears and also providing construction and commission solutions for its products. So it's a good company with a good fundamentals and the company is doing great. So we can consider a good up move in the stock, and the stock is also very good for long term. So just understand the financials of the company and enter the stock. The stock has very sound financials, so we can consider going long in the stock for long term, and the stock is also very good for short term after a good breakout. So the stock after a good retracement at 0.618 level of Fibonacci level, the stock is just making a new higher high formation. So we can consider going long in the stock for short and long term. So for long term we can expect a huge rally, and for short term we can expect around the price range of 330 as a target. So the price range of 300 to 330 can be taken as a target for the stock. So now let's move to the technical part to understand the technical move of the stock. So the stock was listed around the price range of 70 and it started moving higher and reached the price range of 330. So this can be considered as a good resistance zone and it's all time high. So after that the stock fell drastically till the price range of 31, and it's a drastic fall from the price range of 300 to 30. So it's almost 90% erosion of capital. So after that the stock somehow stabilized and started moving higher and reached the price range of 130, and the stock was on the same range for more than 10 years, and currently the stock just gave a breakout on March 2020, and after March 2020 the stock just started moving higher, and after a good rally there is a healthy correction. So let me use Fibonacci retracement tool to understand the retracement. So after hitting the price range of 143, the stock once again started moving higher. So it's a 0.618 level of Fibonacci retracement. So we can consider this as a good positive sign for the stock. So there is a breakout also. So we can consider this as a positive sign for the stock in the monthly chart. So the stock is ready to make a new higher high formation. So the monthly chart shows the stock is bullish. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart, and let me draw a trend line that governs the stock. So this can be considered as a good trend line, and after a trend line breakout the stock just started moving higher and reached the trend line once again. So the stock took a retracement. So currently after taking retracement the stock once again started moving higher, and now the stock just gave a breakout from a inverted head and shoulder pattern. So it's a good pattern and it's a bullish pattern. So we can consider going long in the stock, and look at the volume expansion. So it's a good volume, and the candle is also looking good. So we can consider going long in the stock for long term and short term. So the stock looks bullish in the monthly chart and weekly chart. So look at the breakout from the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this can be considered as a good inverted head and shoulder pattern, and there is a good breakout also. So we can consider going long in the stock for short term, and let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. But before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and hit subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any ideas published in our channel. And this is the daily chart. So look at the clear breakout from the head and shoulder pattern, and the stock took a retracement and it started moving higher. So let me clear all the lines to understand further, and this can be considered as a good resistance zone for the stock. So the stock just gave a breakout with a superb volume. So we can consider going long in the stock, and the stock is trading at a very attractive valuation. So considering going long in the stock for short and long term is fine, and for short term you can ride the trend using the 50-day exponential moving average, and the stock is very bullish for short term. So in every aspect the stock looks bullish, and one can expect a good rally in the stock for short term. So going long in the stock at current market price is fine, and ride the trend using the 50-day exponential moving average. So the next resistance is around the price range of 330. So the 330 price range can be taken as the target for the stock. One can also ride the trend using the 50-day exponential moving average past 330 price range, and this yellow line represents 50-day exponential moving average. So it's already trading very far from the 50-day exponential moving average. So this could be a perfect strategy to ride the trend, and there is no fixed target for the stock. So just enter the stock at current market price and ride the rally using 50-day exponential moving average, and cut the positions if the stock closes below the 50-day exponential moving average, and exit the stock completely if the stock closes below the 200 exponential moving average. So the stock looks bullish. One can expect a good rally in the stock for short term, and the price range of 330 can act as a good resistance for the stock, and the 330 price range can be taken as a good profit booking zone. So one can consider exiting the stock partially around the price range of 330. So 330 price range is almost 45% upside from the current market price, and the current market price entry is completely good. So enter the stock at current market price and ride the rally till the price range of 330. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally, thank you for watching our videos.